Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to allow your contacts to add you to groups on the WhatsApp app for PC. With the latest update, WhatsApp has made it easier than ever to control who can invite you into group chats, giving you more privacy and control over your conversations. Let's walk through the simple steps to activate this setting. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Once it loads, look at the left side of the screen where you'll see a menu. There's a small gear icon there that's your settings menu. Click on that gear icon to open your account settings. After opening the settings, you'll see several options. From here, select Privacy. Privacy settings are where you can decide who can see your information, your profile, your last seen, and of course, who can add you to groups. Inside the privacy section, scroll down or look for the option that says Groups. Click on it. This setting controls who can directly add you into group chats. Now, you'll see a few choices on your screen. Everyone, my contacts, and sometimes my contacts accept. To make sure only people saved in your phone's contact list can add you to groups, choose my contacts. This option prevents unknown numbers or random invites from adding you to groups without your permission. Once you've selected my contacts, your preference will automatically be saved. That's it. You've successfully updated your WhatsApp group privacy settings on your PC. From now on, only people already in your contacts can add you to group chats. Anyone else who tries will need to send you a private invitation, which you can review and decide whether to join. Taking just a moment to adjust this setting saves you from unwanted groups, spam messages, and random invites. It's a small change, but it really improves your WhatsApp experience, especially if you use it for both personal and work purposes. And there we'll have it quick, easy, and done right from your computer. If you found this helpful, make sure to apply the same setting on your mobile app too for consistent control across all your devices.